Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify ClickBank marketplace payout settings and withdrawal eligibility. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Log in to your ClickBank account. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings tab in the upper right corner. Select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Account Settings, locate the Payment Information section. Here, you will see your current payout settings. Make sure your payment method is correctly set up. If needed, click on Edit to update your payment information. Enter your preferred payment method, such as bank account or PayPal. Next, review your payout threshold. Ensure it meets the minimum requirement for your selected payment method. Scroll down to the Cash Out Options section. Verify that your cash out options align with your preferences. Check the processing time for withdrawals listed in this section. Return to the main account settings menu. Now, click on Account Information. Review your account status to confirm you are eligible for withdrawals. If your account meets the eligibility criteria, you will be able to withdraw funds. If not, review the guidelines provided by ClickBank for further clarification. Once all settings are correct, your account is ready for payouts. You can now proceed to withdraw your earnings when ready. Be sure to keep an eye on your account for payment updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.